everyone, it's Patty. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you some back to school favorites. This is the last video in my back to school prep series. If you are new to my channel, I am doing a video every single day in the month of August, and I have done 10 back to school videos, so definitely check those out. I have a tour of how I organize things, tons of different videos homeschool related. This channel is not a homeschool channel. I just had a series going on. My channel is mainly like a mommy channel, so I do include homeschool stuff, also decor, organizing, cleaning, all of those things are included in my channel. So general motherhood is my channel. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. So this is a collab with a whole bunch of other fun moms, and everyone is going to be sharing their back to school favorites. I'm going to be including the playlist and the link to the playlist in the description box down below, so definitely make sure you check that out. And this is hosted by Rachel from Day to Day Joys, so thank you so much for hosting another awesome collab. So definitely make sure you go check out everyone's videos. Now let me get started with my back to school favorites. I decided to do my top 5 back to school favorites. So these are the things that I feel like I could not live without when prepping for back to school. My number 1, if I could pick anything, if I could only have one thing, it would be a printer. Obviously I can't show you a printer. I was just given, my favorite types of printers are HP printers, and I was just given by my mother-in-law an HP laser printer, and I'm super excited. She was gifted the printer, and she thought of us, and she knows I am a homeschool mom, and she thought I would love it, and I do. I've never had such a nice printer. It is a color laser printer, and it came with ink. So that is awesome and a dream come true. But I highly recommend HP printers. HP has a service for the regular printers where you pay monthly, and that is what I was doing before I was given the laser printer. And they keep track of how much ink you have. They'll send you the ink, and you just pay a monthly fee. And I thought it was awesome. I always had ink. I was never out, and it worked great for me. So if you're not printing like a crazy person, then that's great for you. So my number 1 back to school favorite must have is definitely a printer. To go along with a printer, so it's kind of like a 2-for-1, is good quality white cardstock paper. I feel like you have to have some good quality white cardstock paper. I used to get mine from Sam's Club. Our Sam's around here closed, so if you know of a good place to get cardstock really cheap, I've checked Amazon and it's kind of pricey, so Amazon is always my go-to, and it's kind of expensive, so let me know where you get it. I used to be able to get it for like $6, a huge pack. So if you know of a place that sells it really cheap, good quality, let me know. So I love some good white cardstock. I use it for most of my resources because I want it to last. We have 3 kids, and I want it to be able to last, and I don't want to have to reprint stuff. So definitely cardstock and printer are my number 1. My number 2 kind of goes along with that, and that is a laminator. I have had this laminator since I was in college. I went to school to be a teacher. I was a teacher for about a 1.5 years before I had kids. 1.5 years, 2 years? I don't remember. Anyways, I bought this laminator while I was in elementary education major, and it is still going strong. I think this might be the original Scotch laminator, and it is still working for me. So I buy the laminating sheets off of Amazon, and I love this thing. It's just worth every penny. They have nicer models now, but this one still works, so I'm going to keep using it until it breaks, and I will definitely be buying another one when it does break. So I love having a laminator. My number 3 must-have, like favorite thing, is, the rest are not in order. Those are like my top 2. The rest are just like in any order. But another must-have for me is a planner. This year I'm using the Recollection teacher planner. This is my first year using this planner. In the past I've used the Recollection planner as a personal planner, and I thought it would be fun to try out the teacher planner. This is from Michaels. This is part of their line, and you can get this really inexpensive. So far I have been loving it, and I feel like a planner is just a must-have, especially at the start of the school year. You have to start off organized and kind of have a routine established, and what better way to do that than with a planner. So that is a definite must-have and favorite for me. I love writing, being able to write things down, and the stickers and everything that goes along with it. Another favorite of mine is high quality school supplies and resources. I love being able to each year pick out 1 or 2 things that are high quality to invest in and use it time and time again. So some of my favorites that we have really been enjoying are these, I think they're Lyra color pencils. I love these. I'm not exactly sure how they're pronounced, but these are really great, and they are high quality, and I really like them. So those are one of our favorites for like art supplies. Another favorite that I have found myself pulling out a lot at the beginning of the school year, because we took a summer break and my daughter has forgotten a lot, is this Treasures from Jennifer board. It's a tracing board. It has the letters in the front and the back. I've had this now for I think 2 years. Yeah, a year and a half, 2 years, and we really enjoy it. It brings the stick to go with it, and it's to help practice penmanship and writing, and it's really high quality. I love her resources. I also have some of her 10 frames and her color block, and I have a list of things I love from her shop. Another favorite of mine that I have been pulling out this year to review with my daughter is the chalk set. I have the travel chalk set from Chock-full of Designs. This is the number 1. There's also the shapes in the travel set. There is letters. And then it brings a handwriting board. She just came out with another travel set that I definitely have my eye on. I'm hoping to get it for the kids maybe for Christmas as a stocking stuffer. But I love buying school supplies or high quality education resources. And to me, they're my favorite to pull out at the beginning of the school year. I feel like it's so much fun to reintroduce things to the kids. We just bought a house, so I didn't get to buy any like new high quality supplies, but I'm hoping to buy a few things for the kids for Christmas. So I just think it's so much fun to pull out, especially at the beginning of the school year. They're excited, and they're excited to use these things that they haven't seen in a few months or weeks, whatever type of break you take. I think it's really fun though to pull these resources out and kind of refresh their memory in like a fun way. The last thing that is like a back to school, I don't know if this, it's a favorite and a must have kind of combined, and that is coffee. We just started our first week this week. This is our first back to school week, and my daughter is in kindergarten, so far we've only done preschool, which I feel like is so much more relaxed. And when I was a teacher, I didn't have kids, and I am so exhausted. I'm so tired. So I definitely feel like you need a lot of coffee for back to school week. So in all different forms. So that is definitely a favorite and a must have this week for me. So those are my back to school favorites and must haves. Let me know what are some things you find really helpful to get you kind of in the groove the first week of school, or the first few weeks, the first month of school. I love seeing what other people are using and what's helpful to other people. Definitely make sure you remember to check out the playlist, check out everyone's other videos. And remember, if you're new to my channel, I'm doing a video every day this month in August, and I have some really fun, this is the last of my back to school prep videos, but I definitely have some fun decorating, cleaning, and organizing videos coming your way in the month of August. So definitely make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up button so I know that you're going to stick around and watch the rest of my videos in August. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!